Hi, my name is Chris, and today we have the Print Pen. Now what it is, it's a portable printer you can carry around with you and can print on almost any surface. So let's give it a shot. All right, let's do this real quick. So let's see what's in the box. Instructions, I'll check that out in a bit. The pen, it's actually got a nice kind of weight to it. Plastic matte, it's not bad. Ink cartridge. Pen cover plus wire. All right, setup was really quick. It only took about 1.5 minutes to download the app as well as get it set up with the Print Pen. Now let's give this a shot. So I press the pen button, I read out word, let's say I write the word hi. I hit the printer button, it says image uploading. I press this button once, hear the beep, roll right to left. Once it beeps, that means I'm done. I lift up. There it is, hi. Now in order to get out of this, I press this button again and I can try out a new design. So pretty cool. Now what's also pretty cool is you have a bunch of pre-made icons that you can add to the Print Pen. So in this case, I go to, let's say, cartoon, and I can add one of these like cute little penguins. So I click it and it gets added right to the print section. All I gotta do is press this button right here. Image is uploading. I click this once and let's give it a shot. There it is. A cute penguin. Even better though is that you can actually add your own designs. So let's say I want to add like a picture, right? I have this QR code of my YouTube channel. I click on it and there it is. It gets added. I hit print. Let's try this out, see if it comes out nice. Look at that. Let's see if it works on my phone. Look at that, open up in YouTube. Imagine the things you can do with that. Couple quick use cases I can think of. Let's say you want to put the logo of your favorite DJ on a flyer. You can do that really easily. If you're scrapbooking, if you're writing a letter to a friend, you can add cute designs like a cute panda or hearts, or you can upload your own image. Let's say you're at Disneyland. God forbid your kid runs off without you. Just in case, they do, which you can do, you can actually print your phone number on their forearm. Like that. Comes out pretty clear, 908-777-1111. Not a real phone number, don't call it. And then if you want to get rid of it, you take a wet cloth, you rub, and it's gone. Quick PSA about tattooing on your skin. Make sure you use the ink that says it's safe for skin contact. Don't use the one that says it's not. That's pretty much it. Evebot, the company that actually makes the Print Pen, says that you can print on any surface. So let's give it a try. Here we have wood. Yeah. There's a penguin right there. T-shirt. Let's give that a try. Yeah. Cute little penguin there. So far works pretty well on wood and cloth. I don't have, other material lying around, but I take their word for it. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros. Easy to set up. Work exactly as advertised, feels good in your hand, prints on many different surfaces, your skin, cloth, wood, paper. So overall, works really well. Cons. This only prints in one color. If you want to switch it up, you got to buy the other cartridges. Also, this only prints in one line that's 1 inch in height. If you want to print something that's like this big, it doesn't work well. Next up, every time you want to start this up, you got to reconnect the internal Wi-Fi with the device that you're using. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but really only takes 20 to 30 seconds to figure out and reconnect. Another thing, sometimes when you're printing, it smudges a little bit, mostly only when you're doing it on your skin. I haven't really seen this much on like paper or wood or cloth, so I'm not too worried. Lastly, the app, it's a little glitchy. Sometimes when I'm drawing, the drawings won't come out right. I have to redo it. Every now and then it freezes, but I just have to restart the app and then try it again. Not a huge deal. Overall rating, 9 out of 10. There's some small limitations like the smudging on the skin or the glitchy app, but those are small, so I'm only really deducting 1 point. It's got a whole slew of great benefits and it works exactly as advertised. I can really see myself using this at home or in the workplace. Let's say I'm sending out letters. Instead of just writing out the return address 10 times, I can just print it out. If anything updates, if they release a new app version or something breaks, I'll let you guys know in the description below. But that pretty much covers it for today. I'll catch you guys for the next one. Quick PSA about the tattooing on your skin. Excuse me.